Hi guys, my name is Vlatka and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make a single color shaped end for candy stripe friendship bracelets. I would not recommend this type of end for your bracelet if you just started knotting, since it includes forward-backward knot, which beginners find more complicated. But if you have more experience with making friendship bracelets, you will have no problem with it. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss my new tutorials. Now, are you ready for some knotting? Then let's begin. Once you are satisfied with the length of your bracelet and you are ready to make an end for it, take the last two strings, green and black in this case, and make a backward knot with the green string onto the black string. Then take the next string, the blue one, put it together with the black string and make a forward-backward knot with the green string onto them. Take the next string, put it together with the other two and make a forward-backward knot with the green string onto them. Then take the next one, put it together with the first three and again make a forward-backward knot with the green string onto them. And continue doing so until there's none of the strings left. Once you are done, take each string one at a time and slightly pull it down to adjust the end and make sure it's tight and secure and there's no loose strings between it and the last row of the bracelet. And that's it. Your single color shaped end for candy striped friendship bracelets is done. Do you like it? Will you try to make it? Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video useful, like and comment and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss my new tutorials. Not with you next week. Bye!